It's time to schedule a financial meeting with your bookkeeper or the person who manages the day-to-day bookkeeping at your company. What will you talk about? My name is Nina, and I'm about to get in your business. If you would like to know more about business operations, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that notification bell so you will be alerted when new videos are uploaded. Many businesses employ a bookkeeper or office manager to enter financial transactions, bank statement entries, payroll entries, and perform other bookkeeping functions on behalf of your company. How many business owners schedule a regular meeting with this key employee to discuss financial matters related to the company? I highly recommend all business owners schedule at the minimum a bi-monthly meeting with the person who takes care of your business bookkeeping and request the following documents. This will give you an overview of the company. Take your time and research each line item. Ask questions when you, for example, review your expenses. Why did your company pay so much in office supplies for this month? How does this amount compare to last month, last year? What are the bank statement charges? Please pull out the bank statement and show me where we were charged this amount. Who is this subcontractor? Where is his or her file so I can review this company information? In QuickBooks, you can review month and year comparison reports to see where your company has a profit or a loss. If the information is properly entered, you can even compare expenses by job to see if money was lost or made. This is a very good feature and should be used with marketing firms. Don't be afraid to challenge the information on the P&L report and ask your bookkeeper questions. This report will give you an overview of who owes your company money, how much, past due dates, payment terms, and more. If you don't remember the job, I recommend requesting a copy of the invoice sent to the customer. Double check the numbers on the invoice to make sure the customer was billed the proper amount. Here is where you can request the bookkeeper to contact a customer and inquire about payment status for late payers or create strategies to prevent late paying customers. Maybe request deposits in the future or other billing strategies to maintain positive cash flow. This report shows your outstanding bills. If your books are regularly updated, this report should give you a list of the vendor's name, company information, the amount of the bill, when the bill was due or past due. This is where you can outline your strategy on how to pay your bills. Will you use a business credit card? Will you use a check? If you have multiple bank accounts, which account will you use to pay the bills? Do you need to transfer funds from one bank account to the other? Request a payroll report and review the names of each person on the payroll roster and the amount each person is being paid. Know how many employees you have at your company to determine if the list is accurate. Check to see that employees who are no longer with the company are no longer receiving a paycheck from you. Double check that there are no ghost employees on your payroll. Did you know you can print out a monthly register for each of your bank and or credit cards? This will allow you to see how checks are written in QuickBooks or whatever financial software you use. Ask questions like this, for example. Who is the payee on this check if you don't remember the vendor? If you want more information written on the check, request that your bookkeeper use the memo area to say what the check was written for, especially if it's a new vendor. For example, furniture assembly or fixing the sink in the break room. Review bank statements, credit card statements, online accounts like PayPal, and other similar accounts with the bookkeeper to ensure all entries are accurate and you, as the business owner, understand each of these expenses. Okay, Nina, what if my bookkeeper puts off the request? Says that the reports are not accurate or he or she can't produce the reports? I recommend you contact a business operations consultant like me and discuss your issue. Chances are a bookkeeper that can't produce accurate reports is a bookkeeper who is either incompetent or is not able to perform the job tasks for whatever reason. The goal of these types of meetings is for you, the business owner, to get to know more about the fiscal end of your company and show employees that you are a hands-on business owner who understands the importance of understanding the financial end of your business. Over time, you should be asking for even more information to help you map out the best financial strategy for your company. Thanks for watching.